Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial for Hacking Fever. Sorry I haven't made one in so long, but just school and stuff, life. Yeah, I do have one. But yeah, so today I'm going to be showing you how to bridge your connection from your computer to your Xbox 360. So that way you don't have to pay the $100 for that wireless router thing. But also, you might be thinking, if you've done this, you know it's really simple. That's because I'm going to be using it in other tutorials, and I don't want people to start getting confused, start crying about it when they start asking me on the comments how to do it. So just watch this video. And also, let's get started. First, what you need to do is have a wireless router thing, some sort of internet connection to the computer you want, either wireless router or Ethernet cable to your router, modem, whatever you want to call it. But then also, if you do it by Ethernet cable, you're going to have two Ethernet ports on your computer to be able to hook it up to your Xbox, and there wouldn't be much point in that unless you feel like standby, which is what I'm going to be showing you in my other tutorials. But so yeah, I have a wireless router for this and one Ethernet port that is hooked up from my Xbox to my computer. You'll notice that it doesn't say it's plugged in when the Xbox is off. That is perfectly fine. But let's get started. So first hit the start button and open up a control panel. If you can't open up a control panel, you should not be doing this. Alright, so now let's go to network and internet connections. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, this part does work with Vista, but you may notice I'm using an XP computer unlike my Vista laptop. That's because my other tutorials used Windows XP. You can use Vista, you'll get the blue screen of death multiple times. So just hit network and internet connections. And since my computer is so amazing, I'm kidding. Hit network connections again. This is not my favorite computer, but it's the only one we have that's XP. Now you'll notice that you have two connections right here, and one of them should be your internet, and one of them should be your unplugged or plugged in local area connection. This is your Xbox. So now you're going to want to highlight them either by holding control and click on both of them, or just highlighting them like that. Now right click and say click bridge connections. And wait for Windows to do its thing. It might take a while. While it's doing this, some things I might let you know is do not unplug your wireless router or turn it off or do anything to stop the connection while it's bridged. There it goes. If you were to do that, then you fry your wireless connection. I don't know about Ethernet to Ethernet, but yeah, the wireless connection does get broken. You're going to have to get a new one, and it will not be my fault since I am warning you right now. And if you happen to have to like move your Xbox downstairs or something, like let's say you're upstairs, you want to move it downstairs, you can't move your computer downstairs, that's a normal scenario. So yeah, see how it's bridged right now? And give it a little time to get a connection. If you don't, you'll probably get pretty pissed off trying to turn on your Xbox like a little 4-year-old who's really excited, but don't do that. So now connect, now you'll notice you have this, and the network bridge. So it should work fine. And it says I have wireless internet connection, and if I turn on my Xbox, I could connect to Xbox Live. So yeah, now let's say you want to move downstairs like I've been saying before. First you're going to want to right click on one of these. Do not just go to network bridge and say, oh, delete, that'll work. That fries your wireless internet connection also. You have to go right click on this first one, hit remove from bridge, and then you have to remove the other one from bridge after this is done. And then you can hit delete on the network bridge if you don't like seeing that there, but it doesn't really matter. And I'll just remove that from the bridge just to show you what it's doing. So yeah. So if you're watching these videos because you want to be able to force host one of your friends or yourself, depending on what game you're playing, yeah, you can't force host yourself on Gears of War 2. I figured that out. But so just watch my other videos. I'll be coming up later, probably like I'd guess like 15 minutes after this video is up if you subscribers are watching this right now. But yeah, so see you next time.